Hello friends, this is Arya and welcome to Let's Discover It. So today we will cover about crop production management, okay? So आज हम लोग इसके नोट्स को देखेंगे. इससे पहले मैंने आप सबको एक्चुअली इस चैप्टर की इच पार्ट की मीन्स हर एक पार्ट की वीडियो शेयर की है. आपको उसको देखने के लिए letsdiscoverit.com पे जाके आप उसे देख सकते हो, डाउनलोड कर सकते हो, सेव कर सकते हो. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक करिए, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और अपने फ्रेंड के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करिए. ओके, अब देखिए हमारा चैप्टर 1 है क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन और मैनेजमेंट. तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि मुझे नोट्स में आपको कुछ समझाने की ज़रूरतें हैं, क्योंकि मैंने आपको एक्चुअली इच पार्ट वाले वीडियो में हर एक चीज़ को अच्छे तरीके से कंप्लीट किया है. आज हम नोट्स देख रहे हैं. अब आपके लिए अगला वीडियो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पे आएगा और कीवर्ड्स डेफिनेशन पे भी आपके लिए वीडियो आएगा. ओके, तो आप इस वीडियो पे बने रहिए, बिना स्किप किए इस वीडियो को देखिए बिकॉज इट इज़ नोट्स. चलिए अब हमारा क्या है, यहाँ पे इससे स्टार्ट करते हैं हम. क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन एंड मैनेजमेंट. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट क्या है, व्हेन वी ईट फूड द फूड गिव्स अस एनर्जी एंड इट यूटिलाइज्ड बाय द बॉडी टू कैरी आउट लाइफ प्रोसेसेस and various body functions. Example digestion, respiration and excretion. ओके, ये हो गया, समझ में आ गया अच्छे तरीके से. अब ये समझ गए तो अब मुझे नहीं लगता हिंदी बताने की ज़रूरत है, उसमें मैंने सारी चीज़ों को डिस्क्राइब किया है. तो अभी मैं रीड कर रही हूँ. टिल 10,000 BC द पीपल वेर नोमैडिक घुमंतु. They move from place to place in search of food and shelter. They eat raw fruits, vegetables and collect root which was edible. They also start hunting animal for food. Later, they cultivate land and grew crops like rice, wheat and other food crops. Thus, agriculture was born. ये बहुत ही important है, ये आपको एग्ज़ाम में पूछा जाएगा कि एग्रीकल्चर के बॉर्न होने का प्रोसेस क्या था, एग्रीकल्चर बॉर्न कैसे हुआ था. ओके, अब यहाँ पे टू ब्रॉड कैटेगरी है आपके क्रॉप की, खरीफ क्रॉप और रबी क्रॉप. द क्रॉप विच आर सोन इन द रेनी सीजन आर कॉल्ड खरीफ क्रॉप्स. द रेनी सीजन इन इंडिया जनरली फ्रॉम जून टू सेप्टेम्बर. पैडी, मेज, सोयाबीन, ग्राउंड नट एंड कॉटन आर खरीफ क्रॉप. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको याद रखना है. रबी क्रॉप, द crop grown in winter season October to March are called rabi crops. Example of rabi crops are wheat, gram, pea, mustard and linseed. इसके एग्जाम्पल्स याद रखने हैं. विंटर सीजन कब से कब तक होता है, तो ये जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है मैंने एक्चुअली आप ये किया है हम लोगों ने इच पार्ट वाले वीडियो में, तो आपको देखना चाहिए. ये हो गया रबी क्रॉप. अब हम देखते हैं बेसिक प्रैक्टिसेस क्या है हमारे क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन की. तो हमारा जो बेसिक प्रैक्टिसेस है, जिस प्रोसेस के द्वारा हमारा क्रॉप प्रोडक्ट होता है, तो वो है प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सॉइल, सोइंग, एडिंग मैन्योर एंड फर्टिलाइजर, इरीगेशन, प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम वीड, हार्वेस्टिंग एंड स्टोरेज. ओके, याद रखना है. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सॉइल में बहुत सारे स्टेप्स हैं यहाँ पे. The preparation of soil is the first step before growing a crop. One of the most important tasks in agriculture is to turn the soil and loosen it. सारी चीज़ों को मैंने वीडियो में बताया. This allow the roots to penetrate deep into the soil. The loose soil allow the roots to breathe easily even when they go deep into the soil. ये भी बहुत important है. The loosened soil help in growth of earthworm and microbe present in the soil. These organisms are friend of the farmer since they further turn and loose the soil and add humus to it. Soil contain minerals, water, air and some living organism. Dead plant and animal get decomposed by soil organism. In this way, various nutrients in the dead organism are released back into the soil. These nutrients are again absorbed by plant. Okay? आप स्क्रीनशॉट लेना चाहें तो ले सकते हैं. A few centimeters of the top layer of soil support plant growth. Turning and loosening of the soil bring the nutrients rich soil to the top so that plant can use these nutrients. Thus, turning and loosening of soil is very important for cultivation of crop. The process of loosening and turning the soil is called tilling or plowing. This is done by using a plow. Plow are made of wood or iron. Okay. लेवलिंग ऑफ सॉइल. लेवलिंग ऑफ सॉइल इज डन विथ द हेल्प ऑफ लेवलर. लेवलर क्या है मैंने बताया है. Sometime manure is added to the soil before tilling. This help in proper mixing of manure with soil. The soil is moistened before sowing. Before sowing, अब sowing पे आ गए हम. Before sowing the seed, it is necessary to break soil clumps. Clumps क्या बताया है? To get better yield. This is done with the help of various tools. The main tool used for this purpose are the plow, hoe and cultivator. What is hoe and what is cultivator? Hoe, it is a simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for losing the soil. It has long rod of wood or iron. The strong, broad and tent plate of iron is fixed to one of its end, work like a blade. It is pulled by animal. Okay. Cultivator, nowadays plowing is done by tractor driven cultivators. The use of cultivator save labor and time. Okay. अब आ गए सोइंग पे. सोइंग इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन. ओके. बिफोर सोइंग गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ सीड, clean and healthy seed of a good variety are selected. Farmer prefer to use seed which give high yield. This is a good method for separating good healthy seed for the damaged ones. Tradition tools. The tool used traditionally for sowing seed is shaped like a funnel. The seeds are filled into the fune, passed down through 2 or 3 pipes have sharp ends. These ends pierce into the soil, place seed there. Okay. Seed drill. Nowadays the seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractor. This sow the seed uniformly at equal distance and depth. It ensures that seed get covered by the soil after sowing. This protects seed from being eaten by birds. This process seed being eaten by birds. Sowing by using a seed drill. By using a seed drill, save time and labor. Okay. Adding manure and fertilizer. Our topic is adding manure and fertilizer. The substance which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plant are called manure and fertilizer. Cultivation of crop make the soil poor in nutrients. Therefore, farmers have to add manure to the field to replenish the soil with nutrients. This process is called manuring. Manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plant or animal waste in pits at open place and allow it to decompose. The decomposition is caused by some microorganism. The decomposed matter is used as organic manure. Fertilizer are chemical which are rich in a particular nutrient. Fertilizer are produced in factories. Some example of fertilizer are, this is very important, urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potash and NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Two methods of replenishing soil with nutrients. First, in order to maintain the fertility of the soil, we have to substitute fertilizer with organic manure or leaves the field uncultivated in between two crops. Another method of replenishing the soil with nutrients is through crop rotation. This can be done by growing different crop alternately. Advantages of manure. It enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. It makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gases become easy. It increases the number of friendly microbes. It improves the texture of the soil. Okay. Differentiate between fertilizer and manure. Fertilizer is a man-made organic salt, inorganic salt. Manure is a natural substance obtained by the decomposition of cattle dung and plant residues. Fertilizers is prepared in factories. Manure can be prepared in the field. Fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. Manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. Fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. Okay. Tradition method of irrigation. The water available in well, lake and canal is lifted up by different method in different region for taking it to the field. Okay. Cattle or human labor is used in this method. First is moat method, chain pump, Dekli and Rahat. Modern method of irrigation is, so it is important to know that tradition method of irrigation is मोट, चेन पंप, डेकली एंड राहत. ये कैसे कैसे होता है सारी चीज़ें मैंने वीडियो में बताई है. मॉडर्न मेथड ऑफ इरीगेशन. सो व्हाट इज मॉडर्न मेथड? स्प्रिंकल सिस्टम. द सिस्टम इज मोर यूजफुल on an uneven land where sufficient water is not available. The perpendicular pipes having perpendicular pipes having rotating nozzle on top are joined to the main pipeline at regular interval. Drip system. In this system, the water fall drop by drop directly near the root, so it is called drip system. It is the best technique for watering fruit, plant, garden and trees. Water is not wasted at all. It is a boon in region where availability of water is poor. Okay. Protection from weed. There are many processes that help us to protect the crop from weed. Plant may grow naturally along with the crops. These undesirable plants are called weeds. The removal of weeds is called weeding. It is necessary since weed compete with water, space, light and nutrients. How to protect? Tips to protect from weeds. Tilling before sowing of crop help in uprooting and killing of weed which may then dried up and get mixed with soil. The manual removing including physical removing of weed by uprooting or cutting them close to the ground from time to time with the help of khurpi. Weeds are also controlled by using certain chemical called weedicides. Okay. The cutting of crop after it is mature, it is called harvesting. The separation of grain from the stem is called threshing with the help of machine called combine. The separation of grain from chaff is called winnowing. Large scale storage of grain is done in silos and granaries. Animal reared at home or in farms have to be provided with proper food, shelter and care done on large scale is called animal husbandry. Okay. So this notes is completed today. So if you like this video, then tap the like button and do subscribe my channel if you are new on my channel. From this side, Arya Singh, thank you.